Hello everyone and welcome back to BSL Club. This is the place where you can learn British Sign Language and become more deaf aware. Today's video is going to help you improve your finger spelling receptive skills. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. So I'm going to finger spell each name twice. The first time will be quite quickly and the second time will be more slowly. And after that, I'm going to pause and you have to see if you have been able to guess what name I'm finger spelling. Now, to make this a little bit more challenging, I've chosen 10 different names. Not all of them are Western names. Some names are from Nigeria, some names from other places. So you really have to concentrate, focus, and practice your receptive skills to see if you can guess the spelling of each name. If you know the name, you can write it in the comments below. How did you do? Fantastic, well done. Now you've had the opportunity to practice your receptive skills, your finger spelling receptive skills. It's not easy, is it? If you're really struggling, replay this video, see if you can have a go, but perhaps reduce the replay speed, which you can do on YouTube very easily. Just at the side, it will say the speed at which you want to replay, and you can reduce it to half speed or 3/4 speed, and then that way you'll be able to give yourself the best chance. And then as you get better, you could replay this video again at the normal speed. and see if you can guess all the names and how to spell all the names. Well done. For more BSL videos, come back here, subscribe to this channel, and you will know when you click the notification bell, you'll know every time I post and upload a video. Until next time, bye-bye.